Looking for precision and reliability in your lab? Meet the refurbished Gilson MINIPULS 3 peristaltic pump, designed for smooth, pulse-free liquid transfer with exceptional accuracy. Powered by a stepper motor, it offers adjustable speeds from 0.01 to 48 RPM, giving you complete control over your fluid handling. Its positive displacement system and high-quality precision tubing ensure consistent and reliable performance. With interchangeable pump heads, the MINIPULS 3 adapts to various fluid types, making it a versatile solution for any lab. Plus, it's user-friendly, easy to install, and simple to maintain. At Galileo Scientific, our specialists have carefully reviewed, reconditioned, and serviced this unit to ensure it performs at its best, so you can focus on your work with confidence. Reliable, accurate, refurbished to perfection. Get your Gilson MINIPULS 3 today.